Hello, Lafayette Lions. This is Miss Taylor. We have been exploring simple machines from the wheel and axle and pulley to levers and inclined planes, also screws and wedges. Now we're going to think about what is a compound machine. Compound machines and simple machines both are machines. Both make work easier and help use a force to cause motion, right? We change the direction of motion with simple machines or the amount of force needed to do work. So if we look at the simple machines on the left, right, we know they have few or no moving parts, like a wagon wheel, a seesaw, or a saw. Now, compound machines are made of more than two simple machines. So some examples are scissors, the wheelbarrow, and a drill. We'll look at some of those examples in a moment. On the right, it says a compound machine is a machine that consists of more than one simple machine. Oh, I see. So if we combine simple machines and use more than one to create something, like a bicycle, that's called a compound machine or even a complex machine. Some compound machines consist of just two simple machines, like scissors. Scissors are levers and wedges. Other compound machines, such as cars, consist of hundreds or even thousands of simple machines. Wow, that's amazing. Let's look at a compound machine, the scissors. This is a diagram showing the parts of the scissors and what simple machines they are created with. The caption says a pair of scissors is a compound machine consisting of levers and wedges. You apply force to the handle ends of the levers. The fulcrum of both levers is where they are joined together. It even looks like there's a little screw that holds them together. Ooh, another simple machine. They change the direction of force to make it easier to cut things like paper or yarn. The blades are wedges with a sharp cutting edge and a thicker dull wedge. Wow, pretty cool. Here's another compound machine. This is a fishing rod, that's this part, and with a reel, that's this part. The hand that holds the rod closer to the end forms the fulcrum of the lever. Excuse me, that L should be an R. Force is applied to the rod by the other hand. Wow, very cool. The reel that winds or unwinds the fishing line acts as a pulley. Turning the handle turns the axle of the pulley, which causes the wheel of the pulley to turn. So again, the rod is a lever with the fulcrum on one end of the rod. It's where you're holding it. The reel is a wheel and axle that works as a pulley, and the fishing line is wrapped around that wheel. Compound machine. Using the handle to turn the axle of the wheel winds or unwinds the line. Here's another compound machine, the wheelbarrow. What compound machines or what simple machines do you think are used to create this wheelbarrow? Well, look right here. What is this called? That's right, it's a wheel and axle. Now this part, this long part, this handle that goes here and on the other side, right? What's that called? And it's moving on this fulcrum here. There's a little hint for us. That's right, it is a lever. So there's the wheel and axle. You lift the wheelbarrow up using a lever. Awesome. So what are compound machines? Again, a compound machine or complex machine is made with more than one simple machine. Look around. What compound machines do you see around you?